We've been searching literally all year long. I like that. And now it is finally time for Favorite Things 2018. We've got gifts for just about everybody on your list. This is cute. Kids luggage, love it. A mom would love this. For the foodie, this is what everybody's going crazy over. The techie, really like this. This is gonna be popular. The fashionista, well, I like these. This is cute. For the hostess with the mostest. Also for those hard to shop for friends. This is good. And family members. This is the best cleanser there is. I'm here for the moms. We've even got some gifts that you may want to choose for yourself. Can I have those? I'm taking this. I love those the most.
Like my coat? It's yours. I love it. Okay, this is Lands End, water resistant. So you see that's down on the inside, water resistant on the outside. The hood that you can take off if you choose. You can wear it all season. What we like about it is you can walk around and not look like the Michelin Man. We like that.
Right. It's warm, but it's not this.
Yes. You can still show your girlish figure. We think it's the coat of the season, $219, but guess what? You don't have to pay a dime. It's yours.
Everybody gets the coat.
Everybody gets the coat. Giveaway number 2.
Yes.
Not trying to look like Nana, but look at the slippers.
I love these fuzzy
I
slippers.
like this. Bionic Gemma plush because it feels like you're walking on a cloud. Why? Because they have an orthotic footbed, so it gives you a little spring in your step. $80. For those of us who want to walk on a cloud, you get to do it for free. Rachael audience, I brought a friend. Adam Glassman, come on out.
Third giveaway.
Third giveaway.
True Medic is the IS 4000 Insta Shiatsu foot massager. It's a personal foot massager.
It's kind of a theme with the slippers.
I know.
Yes.
Literally, when Oprah tried this,
She
I'm
was
telling you,
squealing. She was
squealing.
squealing.
There were fireworks.
And
there was
Stedman wasn't there.
there was a choir of angels. Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So really, this is a personal massager, and who wouldn't want that?
Yes.
Truly, and it's $199. Okay.
So this is a panic button. It's a GPS tracker.
Wow.
It's aligned to local law enforcement. It's called the Katana Arc. So you can have a loud and silent alarm that bypasses even a locked screen. So God forbid we don't ever want to need it. But if you do, it attaches right to your phone.
So you hook it onto your phone,
Yep.
see?
Yes.
That's awesome.
So if God forbid...
that's really cool.
Yeah, I
It's
think
really
very
cool. I mean,
Push
it's
the
well
button and
needed.
and it notifies somebody immediately. It's $99, but you get a 1-year subscription for free, so it's really a value of $279 for you.
This is really the gift that keeps on giving. This is the Clarisonic Cleanser, which we all know
I
about.
love these suckers.
Okay, but wait till you hear about this. This new version is the Mia Smart Luxe. It comes with brushes for cleansing, obviously, but makeup blending as well.
Oh,
neck
weird.
firming and
Oh,
eye
neck
massaging.
firming. Neck firming
No, neck
and
firming and eye massaging. So under eye bags start to disappear.
Get that
It's amazing. The cost is
I gotta get
$300.
rid of my drinks.
It costs $356, and you're all getting it for
Wow.
free. This is good.
This is the latest Echo device. It's called Spot. It comes with all the bells and whistles, Alexa's voice command, a sleek screen, so there's video for this one, which is nice. We always think good things come in small packages. That's what this is. It's $130, but you pay nothing. Truffle hot sauce, spicy
Rach, have you
black
tried this?
truffle
I
infused
did. My
sauce.
friend, you
guys
call him
like
Happy,
truffle?
but yeah, he sent me a bottle.
Yes.
And it's incredible.
It's incredible.
So after 30 years, this is what Stedman now uses because he knows it's good. So forget it. Louisiana hot sauce is good too, but this is $15, and everybody's getting one of those.
These hoop earrings
Those
over
are-
at Doors
those are
Hoops and
gorgeous.
Pearls is a stylish take of floating pearls right in these hoops.
Beautiful.
From Janice Savitt. Everyone's going home with them, so they're floating for you.
Okay.
There is a bakery here in Harlem called
Mr. Lee,
Leely's.
can I take this one?
Sure.
This is wonderful to meet you, sir.
Mr. Lee.
This is Mr. Lee from
First time
Leely's
meeting you.
Bakery. Very
Yes.
nice to see you,
Same here.
Mr. Lee. Very nice
And you?
to see you.
Great.
Right?
And people stand online to
Yes,
go to
they
your
do,
shop.
yes.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
amazing. Is it true that you brought enough for the entire class?
Yes.